Highlight's Next.js integration supports both PageRouter and AppRouter applications, deployed on Node.js and Vercel's Edge runtime. Highlight catches errors from your web client to your server-side rendered pages and API endpoints. To get started, follow the link in this video description to find our docs on highlight.io. We'll be pasting code directly from the docs into a fresh Next.js installation. Our example uses a constants.ts file to extract constants out of nexts.env files. You can do this any way you like, or you can follow our copy-paste guide. Go ahead and pause this video until you have your constants.ts file in place. We'll wait patiently while you set that up. Okay, let's start with the client-side AppRouter installation. Open up app/layout.tsx and paste in your highlight init component. Go ahead and edit your service name and make sure that your project ID is injected correctly. The example enables tracing origins and network reporting, and you'll most likely want to keep those enabled so that Highlight can automatically associate front and back-end errors. Now let's set up our error boundary. Create components/errorboundary.tsx and copy in the docs code. And now we're ready to validate our client-side integration. The docs include a test page that you can copy and paste. We'll put it in app/approuter_test/page.tsx. Once that code is all copied over, visit localhost port 3000 AppRouter test and click the buttons to send errors to Highlight. Open your DevTools network tab to validate that Highlight is active in the client and sending data. Now jump over to your Highlight dashboard and check your errors tab. It may take a minute or two, but you should see errors populating. If you don't see anything, confirm again in DevTools that you're sending data to Highlight and validate your Highlight project ID. Once we're comfortable with our client installation, we're ready to handle tracing server-side rendering errors. But before we can enable tracing, we need to enable Next's experimental instrumentation hook. That's a single flag in our next.config file. Now, you'll create an instrumentation.ts file in your root directory or the optional source directory. Make sure that it's next to the pages or app folders, then copy-paste the docs example code over. These few lines of code will send all of Next's automatic telemetry straight to Highlight. Now we're ready to capture server-side rendering errors. You'll find example code in the docs for app/error.tsx. Copy that code into the appropriate file and follow the instructions to throw an SSR error. First, we'll need to stop npm run dev and run npm run build and npm run start to create a production-ready build because Next's dev build swallows SSR errors. Once your production build is up and running, follow the link in the docs to trigger the error. You won't see anything special in your browser, but the error should show up on your Highlight dashboard. Congratulations on a successful client-side AppRouter integration. Contact us on our Discord or other support channels if you have any issues.